guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, let me introduce. I am Gayatri and I create videos related to education and that too for CS students. Earlier I posted a video that know everything about CS. In that video I discussed everything, what is eligibility, what is CS and everything about that. So in that video I promised that I will be coming with series of CS CET and CS Executive. So today I am here with CSET series. So today we will be discussing all about CSET, what is CSET, what is eligibility, how to study for that, each and everything will be discussed in this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell. So let's get started to the video. What is CSET? CSET is Company Secretary Executive Entrance Test. If you are someone who want to enroll for CS course, you have to first clear CSET. Earlier, there were 3 stages in CS. First was foundation level, second was executive level and third was professional level. Now foundation level has been replaced with CSET. Now you have to clear CSET for executive level. CSET is nothing but an entrance test for executive. Candidates who qualify CSET are eligible for direct admission to CS executive level. Now let's start with the discussion of CSET. First we will be talking about eligibility. Eligibility is really simple. If you are 12th passed, you are eligible for CSET exam. And there are some exemptions for CSET for some students, the students who have already completed their foundation course or the students who are graduate, postgraduate or have cleared their CA final or CMA final are exempted from CSET. They don't have to clear CSET, they can direct enroll for CS executive without giving CSET. Now coming to registration. For registration of CSET, you have to visit ICSI official website. In that you can go for CSET section and register yourself. I'll be giving that link in the description box. You can check. If you want, I'll be making a detailed video that how to register yourself for CSET. Now coming to fees and documents required. Registration fees for CSET is only ₹1000 for all the students from general category as well as OBC category. For some students that are from scheduled caste or scheduled tribe have some concessions regarding that. You can check on the ICSI website, but the fees is 1000 for all categories. The documents required for CSET registration are your passport size photo, 10th and 12th mark sheet or passing certificate, or your ID proof and category certificate if you have. Otherwise not required as such category certificate. Now coming to syllabus. CSET is comprised of 4 papers and your first paper is business communication, second paper is legal aptitude and logical reasoning, third paper is economics and business environment, fourth is current affairs and presentation and communication skills. Fourth paper is comprised of 2 sections, that is current affairs and presentation and communication skills. That presentation and communication skills is only for online mode. If you are giving your exam in offline mode, you have viva voce of 20 marks in place of presentation and communication skills. If your exam is online, you have to prepare for presentation and communication skills. If the exam is conducted offline, then viva voce will be conducted for 20 marks. That will be written or oral as prescribed by institute. But till now CSET exam has been done online and viva voce haven't done yet. Coming to exam pattern. Exam pattern, you have 35 questions in each subject excluding current affairs and presentation and communication skills. In presentation and communication skills, you have current affairs of 20 marks and presentation and communication skills of 30 marks. In 20 marks of current affairs, you have 5 MCQs of 2 marks and 10 MCQs of 1 marks each. So you have 20 marks in current affairs and 30 marks in presentation and communication skills. That may be variable. The marks of MCQs and the number of MCQs in presentation and communication skills will be variable. But the subjects that are business communication, logical reasoning and legal aptitude, and your economic and business environment. You have 35 questions comprised of 15 MCQs of 2 marks each and 20 MCQs of 1 mark each. Total 35 questions and 50 marks. The questions will be fully MCQ based questions. There is no negative marking in CSET. Now coming to marking scheme. The marking scheme is as simple. The total marks are 200 and total questions are 140 questions, and you have 120 minutes to solve all the questions of all the subjects. In 3 subjects that are business communication, legal aptitude and logical reasoning, economic and business environment have 35 questions each subject, and in current affairs also you have 20 marks for current affairs and 30 marks for presentation and communication skills. Hope till here everything is clear. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to resolve all your queries. Next is passing criteria. The passing criteria for CSET is you must score 40% individually in each subject and 50% aggregate. That is, in each subject you have to score at least 20 marks out of 50 marks, and in total out of 200 marks you have to secure at least 100 marks to clear your CSET. Then comes registration validity. Your registration is valid only up to one attempt. If you have given exam and you have failed, then you have to register yourself again and you have to pay ₹1000 again. Validity of exam result. Your CSET result will be valid for 1 year. In that 1 year, you have to register yourself for CS Executive as soon as possible, because that result of your CSET is valid only for 1 year. If you exceed from 1 year, then you have to give CSET exam again to enroll for CS Executive. So you have to register yourself for CS Executive within 1 year of CSET result. What are exam sessions and exam dates? CSET exams are conducted 4 times in a year, that are first in January, then in May, then July and last in November. So you have 4 sessions in a year to give exam. If you failed in Jan, you can give your exam in May. So there are exams of CSET every 3 months in a year. What is mode of CSET exam? Till now, CSET exam has been conducted online. Since it has started in August 2020, it has been taken online. So mostly it will be conducted in remote proctored mode. If situations get better, it may be taken in offline mode also. But till now it is been taken online, and now as the situations are going worse, it may be conducted online in coming exams also. So how to give exam through this remote proctored mode, I will be talking about this in a separate video. Then how to give exam through remote proctored mode, what are the things you have to keep in mind for giving online exam of CSET. Now coming to coaching. Now there is a big question that whether to go for coaching for CSET or not. As per my suggestion, you should not go for coaching for CSET because the subjects are very easy. The business communication is something which, if you have command on English, it is very easy to clear even without studies. Then second is legal aptitude and logical reasoning, which is little tough. But if you study it daily through the study material given by institute, it is very easy to cover. Then third paper is economics and business environment. It is all economics that we have studied in 11th and 12th standard. It is very easy to cover. Then fourth is current affairs and presentation and communication skills. For current affairs, you can read news daily. You can also refer Business Standards, Financial Express, Economics Times. Such newspapers can help you for current affairs, or you can directly on such apps you can watch news also. And presentation and communication skills are also very easy to cover if you have command on English. That are some communication skills. That is very simple communication skills about grammar and vocabulary. But if you want, you can join coaching also. There are various coaching classes providing CSET coachings. ICSI also provides coaching for CSET in offline and online modes both. So if you want coaching, you can go for that. but as such coaching is not necessary for CSET. Now coming to preparation, how to prepare for these subjects. You can search online, various coaching classes are providing free of cost lectures on YouTube. You can go through that, and I'll be very soon coming with preparation video also, that how to prepare for CSET. And last thing, that is how to stay updated for exams and any information from institute. So institute itself provides each and every information to candidates through SMS as well as on email. In this case, institute is very genuine. Institute provides you each and every information, like after registration, provides your registration number through your email also and on SMS also. Also for exam, unique ID and password will be sent it to you through email and also on SMS. Institute also gives information about mock test as well as your exam date through your email and SMS. Hope each and every question in this video has been cleared. If you have any doubts till now, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be very happy to solve your questions. And if you guys find this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share it to your friends and the one who are in CSET or want to enroll in this course. And stay connected for all the upcoming CSET series. I'll be telling each and every information. Until next, take care. Bye.